Hello, everyone. My name is Violeta Alvarez, and I am working with my team on this project. It's about a composting project, Composta Don Manuel, the green revolution from the earth we burn to the earth we return. So, this is an environmental, educational, and social initiative that it's born in Juventino Rosas, Guanajuato, Mexico, just in the middle of the country. And what this project purpose is transforming organic waste into opportunity sustainable communities. So we will explain on the following slides what the vision is for this project. So we have three strong points in our vision that it's reduce the landfill waste, lower emissions, and restore soils. So pretty much what we want is to divert materials from the disposal and capture their value, reducing the emissions of CO2 and create a natural compost to be used instead of chemicals that are used as of today to grow or food products that we eat from the fields. So the alignments with the global priority. So we touch four of this. The first one is the SDG 8. So this is pretty much to create work locally based on green and circular economy. SD 11, it's to create a community that can be sustainable. As I was explaining, our purpose is to educate the people and make them responsible of a better managed system for all the waste that we produce. The ST12, it's to have as humans being a responsible and consumption that can be more mindful on what we are consuming and have the appropriate waste separation. And last one, it's to help to the climate change. So we know pretty much what we are suffering with climate change. And this is the 4 points that are aligned with the global priorities.
Hi, I am Saul. I am going to present the problem. The most important problem in Mexico is the waste crisis. In Mexico generates 1.3% of global GHG emissions. 6% comes from waste mismanagement alone. Organic waste represents 50% of household garbage. Juventino Rosas lacks formal composting infrastructure. Why communities matter? Minimal recovery today, organic waste recovery rates remain critically low due to lack of infrastructure and awareness. Education change culture. Workshops and engagement programs build understanding and long-term environment commitment. Residents lead change. Community members become environment agents, driving participation and ownership. Our integrated approach, systematic collection, door-to-door program reaches households consciently. Community composting, controlled aerobic process produce high quality compost, and environment education, workshops and ambassadors build lasting culture change.
Who we serve. We work across the community to create a shared culture of environmental responsibility. We partner with households offering direct collection that makes composting simple and accessible. We collaborate with schools, fostering environmental awareness and hands-on learning for students. The farmers and nurseries in the region use our high-quality compost, reducing the dependence on chemical fertilizers. And we work alongside local government, who provide the institutional support and logistics that make the program scalable and sustainable. Together, we are building a network committed to long-term ecological impact in Juventino Rosas. And well, our roadmap. Our 12-month roadmap is designed for gradual, community-based adoption. In the first and second month, we focus on planning and preparation. setting up infrastructure, training the team, and assessing community needs. In the months 3 and 4, we launched an awareness campaign, engaging residents through workshops, ambassadors, partnerships, and social media. Then, during the months 5 to 8, we ran a pilot program collecting and composting with selected households and schools to refine operations. And finally, in months 9 to 12, we scaled the program across the community, measured the impact, and established a long-term sustainability model. In our first year, we aim to demonstrate meaningful environmental and community impact. Our goal is to achieve a 30% reduction in organic waste going to landfills among participating households. We will engage 250 households actively in the collection program, strengthening community participation. From this, we expect to produce 5 tons of high quality compost, which will be distributed to local farmers and gardens. And through this composting process, we will prevent approximately 12 tons of CO2 emissions, contributing directly to climate mitigation. Our long-term sustainability is based on a diversified partnership model. We generate revenue through compost sales, and we offer service packages to local business that want to reduce their waste footprint. We also run educational workshops which not only support cultural change but also contribute financially. Finally, we work with community partners and grants to strengthen capacity and extend impact. This structure allows the project to grow up independently while continuing to benefit the community over the time. Well, that's our project. Thank you. See you soon.